My name is Lena Columbia. I'm 60 years old. I've had pain in my knee for probably the last 10 years. I had arthritis in it, bone on bone, and crackling, all of it. And the pain was excruciating at night. It was just really bad. It wasn't a life to have. It was time to take my life back. Dr. Susie performed my surgery at Frankfort Regional Medical Center, and beforehand we went through a training. Everyone that was a part of the team came in, we watched a video, they answered questions, and it was just amazing that the hospital prepared us enough for this. So when you walk in that day to have the surgery, there's no questions, there's no fears, you know what to expect. I felt like I was just taken care of like a royalty there. Everyone there just treated me so nice. We had physical therapy starting right after I woke up in the hospital. So I was walking up and down the hall very much that first day. I just came back from Colorado visiting with my grandchildren, and they have 3 floors. I was able to maneuver the stairs on each one of them with no problem, play with the kids with no problem, and keep up with them. Even went on a class trip for my little 4-year-old's first class trip. I would not hesitate to have it. If you think that your life can be more than what you have now, you want to be more physical, you don't want to be sitting around in a chair, you want to be more mobile, I would go for it.